Alright, today on Repairs 101, I'm going to show you how to fix the frayed charger cable on your phone or any other device. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. You'll find everything you need to complete this repair at princessauto.com. Alright, now besides shrink tubes, you're going to need a heat gun or a micro torch or a tri-flame torch or even one of these concert appreciation lighters will do the trick, but be forewarned, it will quickly become too hot to hold on to. So you need to pick the size of shrink tube that's going to fit just over whatever terminal is at the smaller end of the wire you're going to repair. I generally will do 2 layers for extra strength. Now here I started fixing this Apple MagSafe power adapter before I even realized that, maybe I should be filming this. So I'll just finish it up with a second layer here for strength. Meanwhile, back at the farm, I just put in some daylight sensing motion detector lighting fixtures. Sweet.